Hey guys, Joe Tollari here. Today we're working on an S9V furnace with a variable speed air conditioner for the outdoor unit. Also, it's paired up with the Trane 850 thermostat, TCONT850 if you really wanted to be specific about it. But today what we're trying to do is, these people have a thermostat in their living room along with a fireplace. And when that fireplace turns on, what happens is it heats up the furnace or the thermostat and makes it super cold in their bedroom. So what we did is we hooked up a wireless sensor to this unit. And when you originally hook a wireless sensor up to the unit, the load of it is 50-50, which meaning the sensor and the thermostat itself would average each other out and create one temperature. So what happens is it gets even hotter in the living room, and then it's still cold, but it's more mild in the bedroom. So what we want to do is we want to shut off this thermostat altogether and make the sensor be the primary source. So when you're wanting to do that, you come over here to the main screen and you click menu, and then you want to go to service, the service button here on the bottom right. Click that, and then down here on the bottom right, you'll see technician access. What you're going to do is click that and then hold it in for roughly 5-10 seconds. And then you want to proceed from here. Down in the bottom left, you'll see indoor sensor setup. So you'll click that, and then it'll load here. And as you see, the weight right here, it says 50% for my master bedroom sensor, the 930. And then you have the weight 50% for the 850, which is the onboard sensor, which is the thermostat itself, the comfort link. So what you want to do is you want to click onboard sensor and then unassign it. So in the bottom right, as soon as you click that, the unassign will turn blue. Push that, and all of a sudden that's an available sensor, and now your master bedroom wireless sensor has 100% of the weight, meaning that that thermostat or that sensor is your primary source for reading temperature inside the home. So once you're finished up with that, go ahead and push done. It's saving the data which we just changed. And then now you can go back to the home, and we're complete. So I hope that helped you out, saved you some time for having to call tech support and try to figure it out. If you like this video, please press subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.